Hey guys, Gina Marie here, and I want to show you this really cool automatic litter box that cleans your little box instantly with the touch of a button. You guys don't have to do anything but take it out at the end. Also, it is controlled through your phone, but look how easy it cleans it for you, okay? It filters through the litter one, two, three, catching all the stuff at the bottom, and it rotates, cleaning it, making sure it captures everything. It is so easy to use, and again, you can control it and put it on different settings for when right from your phone. So that is it, and all you have to do is clean and throw out. And when you guys want to clean the machine itself, it is waterproof, so you can take it apart and hose it down outside, making it super super easy to change the litter and clean it for your cat. Okay, so guys, look at this. One, two, three, cleaning, easy to go, right in the backyard. I also want to show you guys how easy it is to use right from the app. It syncs to your phone and you guys are done. You can see how many times the cat uses it, goes in and out. It has sensors as well to go automatically after the cat goes in, and you guys are good to go with that. Love it. Easy peasy to use.